Glamorous afternoon to dear teachers and to all of you. This is Anvi from class 10. Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Narla is going to deliver my words on the topic Is Science a Necessary Evil in this auspicious Utsav. Man has discovered the evolution of life. He has begun to conquer the space. He has invented life-saving medicines. Man can clone life. At the same time, he can destroy life too. Through atom bombs, he has silenced humanity. The nuclear weapons, his nuclear weapons have pierced or created an unrepairable hole in the ozone layer. His plastics have ushered in the deluge, and he has achieved all this through only one weapon, and that is science. Such is the nature of science. It is a complete blend of the good and the evil. Like humans who have an angel and a beast dwelling within, science can be our master and our slave. Science is the Frankenstein, the monster and the destructive agency itself we have created. If we put it to good use, it can work wonders. Like electricity, communication, media are all the contributions of science, but when it is not used properly, it is like the Frankenstein monster, ready to destroy its creator. Thus, for science, we may use the oxymoron, the necessary evil. We must really be cautious while using science. We can't imagine our life without scientific advancements in present world, and it is also having an adverse effect on our planet and on our health. The researchers in the scientific fields has given a second life to many, but too many techniques are a threat also. Therefore, we must never allow science to be our master. Instead, we must master it ethically. Thanking all of you for listening my words so carefully, and special thanks to the creators of this Utsav for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.